Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to turn off notification sound from Facebook PC. We start by opening Facebook in our browser and then click on our account icon. After that, click on Settings and Privacy and then on Settings. After this, click on Notifications. Now we scroll down and within. Where you receive notifications, we open the browser drop-down menu. Here we can deactivate the sound of both notifications and messages when we receive them. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.